A couple of days ago, I decided that I just had enough of work for the day. Sometimes work just does your head in. I mean, it could be different things for you. It could be family issues, money, your health, whatever. But one thing I've learned over the last few years is that few problems are solved by pushing too hard. Sometimes you have to just walk away from whatever it is that's stressing you out and just go and do something else. One of the best things I can do is just grab my camera, get in my car, and head out somewhere close by, preferably amongst nature, and just take some photos. Or even if I don't take some photos, just be out there amongst nature, listening to the frogs, watching the kangaroos, feeling the breeze, and just watching the sun go down. So this video is intentionally short and fairly light on dialogue. Hopefully you can get a sense of what I feel when I go out there to just relax and de-stress. So I'm here for no particular purpose. The only thing I'm here for is to relax and listen to the frogs and take some photos. And do a bit more photography with my 100 to 400. I think it's nice sometimes just to, rather than go in with any particular photo in mind, you just slap on a lens and you just start scanning around, zoom in, zoom out. I've got some photos of the grass right here in the foreground, and then some other grasses a bit further off, and some of the backlit grass with a little animal path wandering through, and then out further afield to some of the light and the shade draped across the hills. It's very relaxing. Oh yeah, this bowl head, this fast bowl, is definitely easier to do micro adjustments with on the position of the camera than the ball head. Still not as accurate or as precise as a three-way head or a geared head or anything like that, of course. But I always figure you don't have to get it perfect in camera. That's what computers are for. You can crop it later, you can level it later. It's not the end of the world. You get so hung up on this minutiae that just doesn't really matter. If it was unfixable in post, then fair enough. But it's not. It's easy to fix in post. So all I'm doing is focusing first on this little hill to the lower left that you can see with a bit of the lighter grasses on it. Then I focus on the ridge of the middle hill, the green one, and then I focus on that row of trees in the background. And that's my 3 shots. And then I just blend them together in Photoshop or Lightroom. Very simple. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, then I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you've been watching my videos for a little while, then I'd certainly welcome you as a subscriber. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you again in the next week or so. Bye for now.